Hi, this is a screencast to share the Overdrive update with you. Now you can choose to read an ebook in your browser, which means that you don't need to download the book onto your device or onto your computer. You can use what's called Overdrive Read to read books. And I'm going to share in this screencast how to do that. If you use Firefox, Chrome, Safari, or Internet Explorer 10, you can read a book in your browser. And if you don't, you'll be prompted to update, but with a Google Frame plugin. So let's go ahead and see how to do this. In order to get to the Overdrive link, all you need to do is go to your school's webpage and click on the Library Media Center link in the navigation bar. Next, you just want to click on where it says Overdrive eBooks and Audiobooks. You'll need your library card number in order to get onto Overdrive and see what books we have available. So if you don't have your library card number, just send me an email and I'll get that for you. Once you enter your library card number, you'll come to the screen that has the newest titles in our Overdrive catalog. And I'm going to choose one of these titles to show you how to read a book in the browser. I'll choose this one right here. Once I click on the book, I can see a short summary of the book, and right below it I can choose to see a sample of the book. I can add it to my locker, which means I'd like to check the book out, or I can add it to my wish list, which is something I may do if the book is already checked out. And if that's the case, the locker button will not appear. Once you click on locker, you're going to have some choice about the format of the book that you'd like to read. You can choose Kindle book, you can choose Overdrive Read book, which is reading it in the browser, or you can choose Adobe EPUB ebook. I'm going to choose the option of Overdrive Read so I can show you what it looks like when you're reading a book in the browser. This is what the book looks like once it's in your locker, and you just have to decide whether you want to download it or read it in your browser. If I click on download, I need to choose a format. Now if I'm downloading it, it means that I can read it on my device or on my computer, and I will not need internet access to do this. My choices are to choose a Kindle book or an EPUB ebook. So if you have a Kindle or a Kindle app, you can choose Kindle book, and if you don't, you would choose EPUB ebook, and this would download it to your device. If you'd like to read the book in your browser, you just need to click here. The book will automatically open up as long as you have internet access wherever you have your device. This is what the book looks like right after you click on Read in Browser. The book opens up immediately. On the right-hand side, you can see that you can click through the chapters. As you're reading, the book will stay right where you left off when you close out from the browser. The only thing you have to remember is that you will need internet access in order to read from the browser. But it's a very easy way to get to books quickly on Overdrive. When I scroll down, you can see that I can change the font size, I can change the actual font, justification on the page, line spacing, and theme. So right now it's on Sunlight theme. It looks like a regular book. If I wanted it to be a dark background and lighter letters, I could pick Moonlight, and Dusk is somewhere in between. So you can play around with that and see what's best for you when you're reading on your device or your computer. And that's it. So as you can see, reading on a browser is really simple if you have internet access, and it's now available on all Overdrive ebooks. Thanks. If you have any questions, feel free to email me.